Get it, Maddie. Get it.
Get it.
Get it.
What you got?
What is it? Open it. Get it. Open it up. You can get it.
Yeah, get that baby. Oh, don't take that whole. Oh my goodness.
Get it.
I'll sit in my new bed. I think they went, we're done. Are you finished?
What is it?
You cannot be finished. You've got to get the rest of it out of there. We got to get the rest of it out of there. Oh, I'll help. Mama help. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, what's in there? Huh? I know. Oh, is it secured somehow? Damn it, we hate this company. Daddy, we need some kind of... Oh, us in the box, we're having troubles. Oh, what is happening? Oh, yeah, looks like there's some kind of plastic things in the way, Pop. Look. I can't let go of it because it won't come out. What are we going to do? How are we going to get it? Daddy, where's your sharpness? Daddy, you got something sharp? Dad, you got something sharp to help us with?
Nope.
Anybody's terrible. What you got, Maddie? Squeaks.